I'm Erum Tasneem for Altenew. Welcome to Creative Coloring with Erum. This video is part of a stamp focus post and I will be using the Beauty Within stamp set, and I am sharing 2 more cards on the blog. Link is in the description. This is the stamp set. It has 3 single flowers, 2 gorgeous leafy branches. I absolutely love these leaves and these really delicate branches. I will stamp a few images in Obsidian ink and heat emboss them in crystal clear embossing powder. I will start by adding water to the petal and then drop in cosmic berry pigment. I will first lay a light color wash of the pigment and then come back in to add concentrated pigment where I want to show shadows or depth. I won't be adding too many details to the petals. I'll just add a little darker pigment where I want to show shadows or closer to the flower center. I'll leave you with some music while I color the images. I die-cut all the images and now I am going to adhere them on foam tape on my card front. Now I will add controlled splatters with jet black artist marker. Next, I fussy cut a sentiment and adhered it over the bouquet, and my card is ready. I hope you like the card. Do stop by the Altenew blog for more inspiration. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Hello there! Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye!